This is Caitlin. Caitlin is a caterpillar. Caitlin is a cute and clever caterpillar. But she is not clean. In fact, she is very, very messy. This is Caitlin's cluttered closet. It is crammed with clothes, crayons, and computer games. Every morning, Caitlin's mum looks at Caitlin's room and is cranky. She asks Caitlin to please clean out her closet. But Caitlin never listens. At 9 o'clock, Caitlin crams her cotton coat and colourful crayons into her closet. The closet creaks. At 11 o'clock, Caitlin crams her clean chalkboard and cream candles into her closet. The closet creaks and clangs. At 1 o'clock, Caitlin crams her fancy computer and compact camera into her closet. The closet creaks and clangs and clatters.